Another day, another story. 1. SOA is an architectural style for building distributed systems based on the concept of services. 2. It involves creating loosely coupled, reusable, and interoperable services that can be accessed over a network. 3. SOA allows organizations to integrate and reuse their existing IT infrastructure, reduce development time and costs, and increase agility. Web services. 1. Web services are a type of service that uses a standardized XML-based messaging system to exchange information over a network. 2. They are a key component of SOA and provide a way to expose business functions as services that can be accessed by other applications. 3. Web services can be used to build distributed systems that can run on different platforms and technologies. Basic Web Services Architecture. 1. The basic web services architecture consists of three main components: SOAP, WSDL, and UDDI. 2. SOAP, Simple Object Access Protocol, is a protocol used for exchanging structured information in the implementation of web services. 3. WSDL, Web Services Description Language, is an XML-based language used to describe the functionality offered by a web service. 4. UDDI, Universal Description, Discovery, and Integration, is a platform-independent, XML-based registry for businesses to list their web services. Introduction to SOAP, WSDL, and UDDI. 1. SOAP is a messaging protocol used to exchange structured information between web services. 2. WSDL is an XML-based language used to describe the functionality offered by a web service. 3. UDDI is a platform-independent, XML-based registry for businesses to list their web services. Restful Services. 1. REST, Representational State Transfer, is a software architectural style that defines a set of constraints to be used for creating web services. 2. Restful services are a type of web service that conform to these constraints. 3. They are lightweight, flexible, and can be accessed using simple HTTP requests. Definition, characteristics, components, and types of RESTful services. 1. RESTful services are a type of web service that use HTTP methods to perform CRUD, create, read, update, delete, operations on resources. 2. They are characterized by being stateless, cacheable, and using a uniform interface. 3. The components of a RESTful service include a URI, Uniform Resource Identifier, HTTP methods, media types, and hypermedia controls. 4. There are two main types of RESTful services: resource-oriented and operation-oriented. Software as a Service, SaaS. 1. SaaS is a cloud computing model where software applications are delivered over the Internet as a service. 2. Users can access the software from anywhere, without having to install it on their local computers. 3. SaaS providers manage the infrastructure, security, and maintenance of the software. Platform as a Service, PaaS. 1. PaaS is a cloud computing model where a platform for developing and deploying applications is provided as a service. 2. It allows developers to focus on building and deploying applications, without having to worry about managing the underlying infrastructure. 3. PaaS providers manage the servers, operating systems, and other components required for application deployment. Organizational scenarios of clouds. 1. Cloud computing can be used in different organizational scenarios, such as private clouds, public clouds, and hybrid clouds. 2. Private clouds are hosted within an organization's own infrastructure, while public clouds are hosted by third-party providers. 3. Hybrid clouds combine elements of both private and public clouds, allowing organizations to maintain control over sensitive data while still benefiting from the scalability and flexibility of public clouds. Administering and monitoring cloud services. 1. Administering and monitoring cloud services involves managing the resources, security, and performance of cloud-based applications and infrastructure. 2. This includes tasks such as provisioning and deprovisioning resources, monitoring resource usage, and ensuring security and compliance. Benefits and limitations of cloud computing.